Sup, you motherfuckers, it's your boy, Young Slat here, and today we're gonna be going over the fucking top 5 240SX body kits. Ever since I got one, I just want to fucking do this actually. Cause I was looking at a fucking video, remember I told you?
Yeah.
I was looking at videos, I couldn't find a single video for body kits for my car.
We're here to do it for you guys.
Exactly, first video, you better see this. So yeah, we'll get into this right now. Number 5, our first one.
Number 5.
Alright, so number 5, we got fucking Vertex body kit coming from Vertex USA. This kit is actually super simple. I fucking fuck with it. I actually was gonna buy this kit, Duraflex version.
I think that you should still buy it honestly, but you know, like the style you're going for is not like really simple. You're trying to like you're trying to like turn your people's heads, you know, you're trying to like, yeah,
this kit is super simple. It's just for like if you're just trying to put something on your 240. Super cheap too. It's probably one of the cheapest kits on. I mean, honestly, it's a 3-piece or 4-piece, front bumper, back bumper, and 2 side skirts. Obviously
it's just simple.
Super simple kit, but it's clean, so yeah. Alright, coming in at number 4, we got the RPS 13 flip light kit. It's actually pretty simple, actually a bit more aggressive than the first kit we talked about,
honestly.
This one, what do you think?
The front bumper, I like it a lot. It's not like too much going on. It's something that you could like just like, honestly, like I can see like myself, if I had like a 240 at the moment, I could see myself putting it. The only reason it's the reason I don't like it too much is just because of the side skirts. I feel like it's just too much going on.
Yeah, for me, I kind of like it. Front bumper is actually super sick. It's probably one of the cleanest bumpers out of all the kits on this. Side skirts, I feel like they're kind of clean. Maybe too many body lines on it. They're too defined. That's probably what he's talking about.
Yeah, honestly.
And then the back bumper is also probably one of the sickest back bumpers I've seen too. I mean, out of all the back bumpers that are on these kits, I mean, they're either gone or they're just super simplistic. This one actually has some contour, some detail to it. So yeah,
honestly,
this one's actually pretty sick.
Makes the lines go nice. Like, you know, like you can still see like the little lip in the back. It looks real nice, real simple, just very clean, honestly.
No, yeah, this one is pretty fucking sick, can't front. Alright, coming in at number 3, we got the G Corporation kit. Oh, this kit is actually pretty nice because it's a C-Lady conversion kit. With this one, I mean, it's super aggressive front arrow. This is probably one of the most complete body kits. Comes with the full front splitter, front bumper, back bumper, a wing, which I think only one other kit in this video comes with the wing. Comes with the wing, so yeah, and then yeah, it is super defined. I mean, look at the kits. You guys are looking at the photos now, but yeah, look at it. I mean,
they're real clean, honestly. Like everything, like yeah, you gotta change the headlights, but like honestly, like the headlights just make it look even more aggressive.
Yeah, I mean, it's just super sick. He came out, so yeah. This kit, honestly,
side skirts look real nice, makes it look real low, my bad. The front split, the front splitter, like makes it like just look super mean, honestly.
Yeah, front split is insane. A lot about this is just, it's super aggressive looking car, like about to take the shit on a track day.
Yeah, that wing, beautiful, honestly.
Yeah, it comes with the close resemblance to the 326 wing. Back bumper, super simplistic, but the 2 splitters make it nice.
Yeah.
Splitters on the, or the arrow actually on the side skirts is nice.
Real nice.
Arrow on the front bumper is nice. And that is number 3. Alright, coming in at a surprising number 2 is the Veilside kit. This kit is actually like super crazy. Like, I've not seen a kit for the 240 on this. It is just insane to me how it looks. It is just, they still have the pop-ups, but they took it off. Like, I don't know if you guys have seen the Veilside, actually everybody's seen the Veilside kit for the RX-7 from Fast and Furious.
Yeah, the
orange and black one, that Veilside kit is just amazing, and it kind of transfers over into this kit because of the way the headlights look.
Yeah,
it's still pop-up headlights, but they take it off and they just put like a glass over casing over it.
It looks real simple, very aggressive still at the moment.
Yeah, the front bumper on this thing is actually probably the most insane front bumper.
It's so much different. It's so much different than every other bumper, honestly. It looks to me, it looks like the old Camaros, honestly. I don't know, like everything about it is just very beautiful to me. The side skirts just make it even more aggressive, honestly, if you look at it from the sides.
Yeah, and also I think it comes with this crazy wing. I'll try to find a picture of it, but right now you can't really see it. It looks pretty crazy. I don't know if it comes with it, but yeah, it looks sick. Side skirts are kind of too much, but it looks sick. Nonetheless, I think this kit is actually fucking sick. It reminds me of literally the RX-7 from fucking Fast and Furious, but on a 240.
Honestly.
So yeah, that's number 2. Alright, then coming in, number 1, we got Reddy's Rocket Bunny V1 kit, V2 kit. not really fucking with it. This V2 kit is, I mean, fuck. This V1 kit is actually insane.
Yeah, I feel like this is like everyone's like top choice. If you could like, obviously it's dummy expensive, but obviously if you can afford it, honestly, I would get it.
Yeah, I mean, this kit is actually insane. I mean, the chassis mounted wing with the rear bumper delete.
Oh, beautiful, literally.
Fire. I mean, that shit is so clean.
No complaints, literally 10 out of 10, maybe 11 out of 10, honestly.
Facts, over the limit. Fucking wide body kit is actually insane. The front arrow, the back splitter, fucking diesel truck.
The wide body to it is just, oh, it's just so beautiful, honestly.
Yeah, the front bumper actually is honestly insane too. I mean, the splitters with the canards. This kit is honestly to die for. I mean, anything else, and if you chose anything else as a number one, I mean, you'd be stupid.
Yeah, it's honestly.
This kit is fucking fire, bruv. But yeah, other than that, that's pretty much it. Top 5 fucking body kits for a Nissan 240SX S13.
Beautiful.
Beautiful car, beautiful fucking everything. Kits are insane, kits are pretty cheap. Well, at least the ones that we talked in this video are pretty fucking expensive actually, except for the Vertex kit. The Vertex kit, you can find it for cheaper. Not as good quality, but you can find one for cheaper.
A fake one, but still it's gonna look real nice, very simple.
Yeah, the RPS 13 one is also pretty clean too. I think that one you can also find pretty cheap. And that's pretty much it.
Yeah.
You can find bits and pieces of like Rocket Bunny kits or like, what other one did we do? What is this one?
The RPS?
Oh, this is the G Corporation. You can find like G Corporation stuff, Sil 80 conversion kits. I mean, a lot of stuff for this car is like pretty much transversional. How do you say that word? Fucking
universal.
Universal. Fact. It's universal. You could slap on a Veilside front bumper with a Rocket Bunny fucking.
Looks still beautiful, honestly.
Back bumper with some different side skirts. I don't know, but yeah.
And then hopefully in the near future, like you can get one of these, and obviously we're gonna show you how it looks like.
Fact. I'm probably gonna end up copying one of these. So stay tuned for that. Yeah. Other than that, it's your boy Young Slat,
Blowfredo,
and thank you for watching. Subscribe.